looking through a window for someone else to blame. We've become the latest problem generation. How long will it take us to reach out a hand? Why does it have to be so complicated? We're gonna need each other if we're gonna make it. How long will it take us to reach out a hand? What are we holding on to? Nobody seems to know. Divided in the shadows of the years gone by. Can we learn to love again if we can't let it go? How long will it take us to reach out a hand? Why does it have to be so complicated? We're gonna need each other if we're gonna make it. How long will it take us to reach out a hand? To reach out a hand. No room for second chances, no time for another lie. Spent too long running fences, just trying to get by. Victory will save us, so the story goes. How long will it take us to reach out a hand? Why does it have to be so complicated? We're gonna need each other if we're gonna
I'm trying to be a good one, trying to do it right. I'm open but discerning, I try to pick my fights. And all this time alone I've come to be a different man, mostly just by wondering about how it all began. I've learned to set some boundaries as I healed a lot of wounds. I even practiced singing so I'd sing less out of tune. Working on yourself can be like trying to sculpt a wave, and I can't tell if I am on the moon or in a cave. In the darkness, tears did guide me to the promised land inside me. I've watched my friends get married, watched them fall apart, seen them compromise so much it kinda broke my heart. I've heard them blame each other, heard them live on lies, say everything that comes to mind except apologize. Ain't saying I got answers, but I know it doesn't fly. And someone else's fantasy is no good alibi. Maybe if we focus more on quality than time, falling out of love wouldn't be looked at as a crime. Under pressure, pride misguides you. Break your promise, don't deny you. Don't control it, make room for it. It will break you open. I'm trying to meet a good one. Wait, that don't sound right. I mean to say if I met someone cool, it'd be alright. So if you like spelunking or gazing at the moon, maybe we can meet up on a weekend sometime soon.
I was sitting on the back porch in my mama's arms, staring out into the silence of the stars, wishing hard for things to come, to grow up and be someone, to be anywhere than where I was, always reaching out for something I could never have, always feeling discontent and incomplete. But I was loved all along. I had joy, I had peace, it was here with me all along. All along. We were singing to the Beatles on the radio. We were driving with the windows all rolled down.
Bye.